So I heard about this small gathering in the dunes, and when I got here I was absolutely blown away. In a country that's not famous for surfing in any way, well, it's actually quite the opposite. The vibe here has been unreal. I come from a small surfing village in South Africa where surfing is just taken for granted. And it seems to me that at Surfana, the surfing culture is just celebrated. This is why I travel. This is the good life.
Whoa. Say the more I will fight, but I say no.